When you add student data to Fusion, regardless of whether it comes in from an MIS system or from a spreadsheet, Fusion needs to make sense of those year groups. If year groups come in from the SIMS MIS, they're automatically turned into year group classes for you. If you're bringing your data in using a spreadsheet, you'll need to include the year group column if you want Fusion to know which year group the students are in. To manage your year groups, go to Manage, Year Groups. So you can see here for Year 1, at the moment I only have one student in there, 3 managers or teachers, and I have some controls over here. The first thing you may notice when you go in here is that your year groups are out of order. And that's because the name of a year group is just a text field, and Fusion has no idea which year group goes at the top, younger ones, and which groups are the older ones at the bottom. So you need to tell Fusion this by moving the groups up and down. You can change the name of a year group by clicking on the pencil and editing, and you can change the members or students in a year group by clicking on the student members and adding. And you add students by ticking them and click Add Members. So these students are now identified as being Year 13 students. If I go back and scroll back down to that Year 13 class, to choose the managers of this year group, click in here. And for this, I may choose any teacher that teaches Year 13. I may choose form teachers, and I may choose the teacher who's the head of that year. And then to add them, I click Add Managers. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add all my Year 10 students to the Year 10 Science Learning Space. I can now go to Manage Members, and using the quick search, I can go to Year Groups, and I can select the Year 11 students. Select them all and add them as view-only students to that learning space. So that's how to manage your year groups on Fusion.